10 out of 10. Now, it might be a bit weird to dive straight into the churros, to be honest, after having a spicy set of meals, but let's see what they're like. Good amount of sugar on there. Crunchy. Listen to that crunch. Just give it a snap. Yeah, look at that. That's a good crunch on there. That's beautiful. Now let's get a bit of that dippy action. Oh. Some of that dippy churro action in there. See how it tastes. You know what? They're cooked really well. A good amount of sugar on the outside as well. I think they've added the cinnamon in there. And with that chocolate sauce, yeah, 10 out of 10. That is beautiful. We'll definitely get that again.